Hey, that looks great, Dave. Yeah, let's stick that one there, man. Beautiful, Dave. You know, you want to go wander around, you want to zigzag, you want to find the biggest tree, you want to find some pretty rocks, you want to find some sweeping vistas. And then we connect all these by following the contour lines. Then you come out, follow your map and your aerial photograph and see how those connect by shooting your clinometer between each little point. Then you come back, we put the pin flags in. And of course these are going to be, you know, every 50 to 100 feet here so that when the crew comes in and cuts, they know exactly the flag line to follow. And then at that point it's approved, and then we basically start the trail construction. Ultimately, if you design a trail right, you shouldn't have to fix it. A sustainable trail has very little maintenance associated with it. When water falls on them, whether it be from the top or whether it be from rain, it hits the trail and runs off the trail, okay? That's key. The other thing to do with that is the rolling grade dips. So every 50 or 75 or 100 feet, you want to change in that grade so that even if your trail is dished out, it's going to drop down and it's going to come back up, and the water's going to have to exit over time. No matter how dished it is, if it undulates, water will have low spots to exit.
How's the trail? Good.
Here's two rolling grade dips right here. When the water runs down this way, the water's hitting right here. Then the water gets intercepted and runs down here until it drains off, okay? Grade dips essentially force the water off of the trail. Then as you see a little bit further up there, you know, not only do we have these curves that are kind of an elevational curve up and down in elevation, but we also want plenty of curves side to side, left to right. For me, it's an outlet for creativity. I feel like we're sculptors. You know, like if you're at an art museum and you're looking at a piece of art on the wall, I mean, that's all fine and dandy. I love that. You're experiencing it, but a trail is you're actually looking outwards, and that artwork is changing all the time. So the experience that you're giving people, it's just an amazing amount of eye candy for your brain. It's what we call the snapshot tour, that every minute or two, their little brain takes a snapshot. That makes it good. And then the product you come out with is experienced aesthetically because of all the different diversity of your viewpoints, and it's also experienced kinesthetically because of all the rolling dips and the chicanes and the turns and the drops and the rises. And that experience is open to everyone. And for me, that's the ultimate satisfaction, is to be able to create something that's non-discriminatory in its enjoyment. And it also makes me feel good that, you know, we can be good public servants and provide something for the public in general.